Paring is the action of refilling the coin tubes to the original starting amount or changer fund. There are two ways to do this: visual or manual paring, which is when you refill the coin tubes to the approximate level using the markings on the coin tubes or by using the optional cassette rings. Automated paring is when the float mode is enabled. The Guardian display will show the amount of money needed to be added to the coin tubes. In this case, the display is showing us add 70 cents to get back to our original starting float mode. With automated paring, the coin changer's display will show you how many coins need to be added. Add the amount of coins to the coin tubes by opening the cassette, loading the tubes, close the cassette. The coin changer will then scan the tubes and then tell you if you're above or below the float amount. Overfill paydown is an option that can be set which allows the user to refill the coin tubes with more coins than are needed. After refilling the coin tubes, close the cassette and the extra coins above the set float amount will be automatically paid out. With float mode enabled or turned on, to enable the overfill paydown mode, you will press the menu button, scroll up to where it says Setup, press C for Enter. Where it says Float, press C for Enter again, press E, scroll up to where it says Overfill Paydown, press C to enter. The display will say Overfill Down Disabled. Press E to scroll up to Enable, and now press C to enter it. What this feature does is if you overfill the coin tubes above your float level, once you close the cassette, they will be paid back down to the float level. Float paydown is an option that can be set which allows coins to be sent to the coin tubes during normal day-to-day operation until the tubes are full. The coin tubes will have more coins in them than what the float or changer fund is set at. When the machine is serviced, to empty the coin stored in the tubes which is above the float amount or changer fund, press the F and C buttons at the same time. Coins will be paid out until the amount in the tubes is equal to the initial set float amount. To enable float paydown, press the menu button, scroll up to Setup, press Enter at Float, scroll up to where it says Float Paydown, press Enter. The display will say Float Paydown Disabled. Scroll up to where it will say Float Paydown Enable, press C to enter. Now, once the coin changer has been loaded with coins and you are above the initial float setting, like in this case it tells me to remove 50 cents, I can press the F and C buttons at the same time and the changer will automatically pay out